Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to set up our Outlook, our Office 365 Outlook on our iPhone or iPad. First thing you want to do is click the Apple Store icon, whatever it may be. Up here in the search, click in the search box and type Outlook, and you'll see the first option for Outlook for iPad or just Outlook, which will put it on your iPhone as well. So click that. You'll see a bunch of options. On the top left, you'll see Microsoft Outlook. That's the one you want, not the one to the right where it says Mail. So you do not want the one on the right-hand side. You want the one on the left-hand side that says Microsoft Outlook. Now, this may not be this set up on your iPad or your iPhone. Just make sure you select the one that says Microsoft Outlook. Click the little download button. That's going to download the app. Just take a few seconds here. And depending on your Wi-Fi speed or if you're connecting to LTE, will determine how fast or slow this will be downloaded. It's almost done. There we go. Now, you'll notice it changes to open, so let's go ahead and click open. First screen you're going to have here is to put your email address. So this is where you're going to put your email address. I'm going to use a temp account that we have here. Okay, once you have that there, go ahead and make sure it's all spelled correctly and click on Add Account. Now this is going to get you logged into Office 365, so you want to click where it says Password, and this is where you'll put your password in. And since this is the first time you're logging in, it's probably going to ask you to change your password. So once you put your password and click Sign In, and it would ask you if you'd like to add another account, maybe later. Enable notifications, turn on. Like to send notifications again, so select Allow. And then here's our inbox. First thing you want to do is top left, click on Other instead of Focused. Focus is only going to focus on certain things. Other will give you all of your email. And it's downloading messages. It may take a couple minutes. There's really nothing in this email box to display email, but any email you have in your email box will go ahead and it'll pop in. Left-hand side will show your messages. Right-hand side, once you click on the message on the left, the right-hand side will show the actual part of the message. If you want to go to your calendar, down here at the bottom right, you'll see the envelope, which is your email, the magnifying glass, which is a find or search, and then the other icon with the number on it, that is your calendar. That'll show you all of your calendar as well. So this will conclude this tutorial. This is to set up your Outlook Office 365 email on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you.